If you want to change text in Tinkercad quickly and easily, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to edit text in Tinkercad step by step so you can customize your designs without wasting time searching through menus. Whether you're making a name tag, a label, a logo, or any other 3D project, this simple process will help you update your text in just a few clicks. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick Tinkercad tips and beginner-friendly design guides. All right, let's jump right in. First, select the text object you want to change. This is the part of your design that contains the letters you want to edit. Once you click on it, Tinkercad will highlight the object and show its editing options. This is important because you can only modify the text after selecting the actual text shape in your workspace. Next, look at the box in the top right corner of the workspace. This is the inspector window, and it's where all the main text settings are located. If you don't see it right away, make sure the text object is selected, because Tinkercad only shows these controls when the object is active. Inside this panel, you'll find the options you need to customize both the content and the style of your text. Now go to the text box in that inspector window, delete the existing text, and type in your new characters. This is the main step for changing what the text actually says. You can replace a name, a word, a label, or any custom message you want. As soon as you type the new text, Tinkercad updates the object, so you can immediately see the change in your design. After that, you can also change the properties of the text to make it look better for your project. One of the first things you can adjust is the font. Click the font drop-down to switch between options like sans, mono, serif, and other styles. Each font gives your text a different look, so this is great if you want something clean, bold, technical, or more decorative depending on your design. Then you can adjust the height setting. Drag the slider to make the letters thicker or thinner. This changes the depth of the text and can make it stand out more in a 3D model. If you want the text to look stronger and more solid, increase the height. If you want a lighter or shallower effect, reduce it. This is especially useful when you're preparing text for printing. You can also use the bevel slider to add rounded edges to the letters. Beveling helps soften the look of the text and can make it appear more polished. It's a nice touch if you want your design to look smoother and less sharp. Depending on the style you're going for, a small bevel can make a big difference in the final result. If you use the bevel tool, you can then adjust the segment setting. Segments help smooth out the edges and make the bevel look cleaner. The more segments you use, the smoother and more refined the text will appear. If you want your text to look more professional or more visually appealing, this is a setting worth experimenting with. So to recap, the process is simple. Select the text object, open the inspector window in the top right, change the text inside the text box, and then fine-tune the font, height, bevel, and segments until it looks the way you want. Once you understand these controls, editing text in Tinkercad becomes fast and easy, even if you're brand new to the platform. If this video helped you learn how to edit text in Tinkercad, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more easy design tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.